Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to calculate sensitivity analysis of water cut, reservoir pressure, and tubing size. So we first click on inflow sensitivity analysis, click on completion, and then click on water cut. You click on water cut is already in percentage. Then start with water cut of 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, and 90%. We want to see what will be the performance of this well when the water cut increases to 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70%. And know whether the well will still be producing at that point. So once we enter the values, you click on run or we click on run. And from the result, it can be seen that the water cut or the well will stop producing above water cut of 40%. Now we can see that there was no production at 50% of water cut. There was production at 40% of water cut at interval of 10. So let us minimize the interval. Now that we know that the well water cut is 40% or will not produce above 40%, but we do not know what value, whether it is 41 at 41 or at 42. In order to know exact water cut that the well will stop producing, we have to minimize the interval to 1. So we have 41 to 45 or to 50. Let me say 41 to 49, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Then we run again. From here, we can see that the well will stop flowing when the water cut increases above 45%. Alright, so the next thing to do is to also run the sensitivity analysis of reservoir pressure and see what will be. The present reservoir pressure is 3,500 and we want to know what will be the flow rate of this well when the reservoir pressure drops to maybe 3,000 psi, 3,000 psi, and water cut increases to 50 or 45%. So with the present reservoir pressure of 3,500 psi, the well will not flow when the water cut increases above that. at 3000 psi. So let's see 3000, 400, 3000, 300, 3000, 200, 3000, 3100, and 3000, and then we run. So at 40% water cut, the well, the result shows that at 40% water cut and 3000 psi, the well will no longer flowing. So the well will stop flowing at 3100 psi. At 3100 psi. So look at it here. At 3100 psi, the well is flowing 543 stock-ton barrel per day. And at 3000, the well is not flowing. So let's increase the water cut to 45% and see if the well will still be flowing. Okay, let's increase to 40% and see if the well will flow at all at that flow rate. So at 40% of water cut, the well reservoir pressure will only flow. The well will flow at reservoir pressure of 3400 psi. The flow rate is 658.8963 stock-ton barrel per day. So let's see if the well will still flow at 45. At 45. At 45 water cut, the well at 3500 psi. At 45 water cut, the flow rate is 582 stock-ton barrel per day. So that is that. Thank you for watching.